What's up, y'all? You know who it is. Vincent Ford, certified personal trainer for over 25 years. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. And please take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. This is how to perform the dumbbell squat correctly. Let's jump right in. Stand with a single dumbbell in your hands and feet a little wider than shoulder width apart. While keeping your head up, slowly lower your body until the thighs are parallel to the floor and rise to your starting position. You can also stand with your feet further apart to apply more attention to the inner thighs, or closer together, which will put the focus on the front and outer thighs or quads. Things to keep in mind. This exercise must be performed in a slow, controlled manner. You never want to curve or roll your back. Try to maintain a straight back, slightly arched. You want to point your feet in the direction you would like your knees to follow and sit back like you're sitting in a chair when you lower your body. All your movements should be controlled and keep your core tight. It's also a good idea to do some warm-up sets first, like I did at the beginning, without any weight, to get some blood flowing into your legs and glutes before going into your working set. Now, your breathing should also be natural and controlled. Don't hold your breath. Inhale on the way down and exhale on the way up. When you complete your desired number of reps, I like to do some finishing movements like gentle twisting and shaking my arms and legs just to keep some blood flowing into my muscles, keeping the body warm before I go into my next exercise. All in all, this is one of the most effective compound exercises for developing the glutes and legs. Take your time with it, and don't start out with a weight that is too heavy to control and not so light that you barely feel the tension. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video.